Today we are talking about the power of the present moment. Psychologists say for having a great and amazing life, we don't need to have beautiful and expensive cars or live in a beautiful and big house or be a millionaire, but to be present in the moment is enough. You don't need things to be happy with. All you need is with you now. All you need is to be 100% present in this moment, right now, this precious present moment. All happiness is formed when we are away from the present moment. When we think about bad events in the past, stress, disappointment, anger, and sadness are coming inside us. We don't have any control over the past right now, so let it go. Yes, let it go and free yourself from your past. Sometimes when you think a lot about future, you feel anxiety and worry. We have no control over future right now. So let's face the tomorrow. For being happy and enjoying, most of us searching for the moments in the future, but that moments may never come. Most of us wishing to live in other countries, but we may never be happy there too. Cause when that moments come, you want more. When you live in another country, you wish another. So let's stop. Yes, let's stop, be focused in the present moment. See the beauties of our house, our garden, our city and our country. Appreciate everything we have in this moment. Like the life, like the energy inside us, like the power in our minds, the power of thinking, studying and working. Appreciate the miracle of human life, the miracle of creation, the wonder of this universe, the wonder of our senses, our imaginations. Let's see the beauties of the sun, the air you breathe in right now. When we truly grasp this powerful present moment and appreciate that, there are no problems anymore. There are beauties, joys, happiness and feeling of the prosperity. So let's be present in the moment and prevent from being lost in the past and future and far from the present moment, because it takes the chance of growth and success in our life. Being present in the moment, bring more connection with what we do, bring more love and quality. With that, there is greater success on all levels. The success is the feeling we get when we achieve something. The prosperity is the same. We can create the feelings and feel them right now. You need to make sure that your attention and appreciation is 100% focused on this perfect present moment. Make your new destination, enjoying this journey. This is how you enjoy more, feeling the prosperity and living fully. You need nothing else. You are complete as you are right now. So my friends, make sure you be present in this moment and enjoy your life every day. Until next episode, be present in the moment, enjoy your life, live fully, love openly and feel the prosperity today.